Mille RM002-V1 Tourbillion watch. The RM002 manual wound tourbillon is a feat of engineering and technology, creating a closer connection to automotive racing with the inclusion of a gear-like function indicator prominently displayed between 4 and 5 o'clock. The function indicator is changed through a button in the crown similar to a car's gearbox. The watch can be set to hand setting, neutral and winding. The torque indicator runs between 0 to 65 dnmm. A reading below 53 dnmm indicates the mainspring is too slack, and over 65 dnmm indicating excessive tension on the mainspring. Main characteristics are movement, manual winding tourbillon, case size 45 by 38.3 by 11.85 mm. Material case 18K 5 and red gold. Case band 18K 5 and red gold. Dial numerical dial. Specifications: water resistance 50 meters. Power reserve circa 70 hours. Main functions: hours and minutes, movement, power reserve indicator, torque indicator and function indicator. The design and execution of the watch demonstrate a complete conceptual approach to the movement, case and dial. As a result, everything has been constructed according to an extremely rigorous specification, in the manner of the analytical engineering method used in the design of Formula One racing cars, where the chassis and the engine are developed in complete harmony.